Hey beautiful, let's make some hydrating sea buckthorn essence. So here we go. We have some distilled water in the measuring cup already. And to that, we're going to add some aloe powder. Aloe is a great moisturizer. It helps to fade dark spots. It's anti-aging and very soothing to skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Next, we have some polyquaternium 10. That is a conditioning agent. It can help make your skin soft and supple. It attracts moisture to itself and forms a thin film. It also has a bit of a viscosity adjuster in it. It's got some cellulose in there, and that's going to help maybe thicken the water a little bit, make it not so watery. So yeah, it's going to do that, and we're using a little, so I got every drop of that out of there. Now we're going to stir that. The aloe is going to take about 5 minutes to dissolve. The polyquat 10 is going to take a couple hours for all those little beads in there to kind of swell up and dissolve. So don't sweat that at all. We just want that little clump of aloe in there to dissolve. And like I said, it takes maybe 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, we're going to throw in some allantoin. It is a very moisturizing ingredient. It's anti-inflammatory. It can help to increase collagen in the skin, and it is a great anti-irritant. Just don't use too much and stir it in fully, and you'll see it go clear in a second here. So you'll know it's dissolved. There you go. Then we're going to throw in some panthenol. Panthenol is a wonderful emollient, so it's moisturizing and it helps soothe the skin. And it is also a bit of a humectant, so lovely, lovely. Next, oat protein. Oat protein is anti-inflammatory, and it's going to help to retain moisture and reduce any itchiness on the skin. It's quite lovely. And the star ingredient, sea buckthorn extract, it's going to hydrate your skin, promote the formation of collagen, and repair some oxidative damage. So it's great stuff. And then we have sodium lactate, polyquaternium 7, and liquid germol plus in here. The sodium lactate's a humectant, so it's going to hold moisture to your skin. It has some antioxidant properties in it. And the polyquat 7 is another conditioning agent. It's going to make your skin soft and supple. It's got film formers to hold moisture into your skin. And the liquid germol plus is just my go-to broad spectrum preservative. It's great stuff. You're going to stir that a lot to really incorporate that polyquat 7 in there. And that's it. Give it a good stir. Give it a good, move around. And I'm going to pour it into the container that I already made a batch in. Now, if you didn't wait the 2 hours for the polyquat 10 to dissolve, you might want to do that. Otherwise, you're going to scrape those little bead things out of there. But otherwise, that's really it. Put a lid on it. Give it a shake every now and then until all those little beads dissolve. And you've made a great essence. Bye.